Hi, my name is Ella Meyer and I'm president and co-founder of Robot in 3 Days at Iowa State University. Today we are looking at the shooter mechanism of our 2026 rebuilt robot, Indy. For our shooter mechanism, once the fuel comes through the intake into the hopper, it is going to end up at the bottom of the ramp of our shooter, and then it is going to be pushed out by our compliant wheels and up and into the hub. For the actual components of the shooter, we use 1/4-inch aluminum on the sides that we milled in order to put our bearings in that holds the shafts for the compliant wheels. On the compliant wheels, we are using 2 inches on the front and we are using 3 inches and 4 inches on the back for the shooter. For the middle of the shooter on the ramp, we are currently using cardboard just due to limited time and resources, but in the future we would like to come up with a more permanent solution so that we can create more consistency when putting fuels into the hub.